Thank you very much, President. Well, here we are discussing freedom of the press in countries which I don't think can ever be considered dangerous dictatorships. The European Commission has now signed a trade agreement with China. Well, in that country, any journalists who write anything that the government doesn't like end up in prison. Well, in the Committee on Foreign Interference in Political Processes, which I'm a member of, well, we've understood that the European Union has no mandate to deal with Chinese disinformation in Europe. Well, before we give lessons to European countries who have recently struggled against communism, rather we should be supporting those that try to diffuse such threats. Remember, we're trying to be friends with the country that still has the largest communist party in the world and uses its propaganda to try and destabilize the whole of Europe.